This is how to make a playlist private in Apple Music. I have this playlist that I made public earlier. If you want to have all the playlists public or private, and if you want to have specific playlists private while allowing public for specific certain playlists, if you want to share them on the Apple Music app, go to the home view. In the home view on Apple Music, on the top right corner, you see like a profile picture if you have it set, or your initials, and this is your profile. You can view your profile. If you don't have your profile already set up, it will say view your profile, and here I will see what everyone else would see. You see the playlists. You can also choose edit profile, and under edit profile you can change the username, the user ID. You can choose who can follow you, follow your activity especially. So I prefer to choose people you approve. And if you want to make this playlist private, it was showing earlier, but I can turn it off from here, so it's not public. And also very important is the listening to. You might not want to have the listening to option enabled, but if you only share this with friends and family, then you could have listening to, so everyone knows. You could even listen together to a playlist, and you can also delete the profile if you don't want to have it. And now the playlist is private. That playlist was public, and it should be gone from here. If I go back and refresh this view, the view profile, it's still there. Okay, edit profile, uncheck, okay, and listening to is off. Okay, now I can save it. I save it, and the playlist is gone. All the information about my profile here is just username and the name here, and that's it. That's how you make a playlist private, and you can make multiple playlists private or public, however you like. Thanks for watching.